Uba Wailadmiki Shilla hadin bola syajit kumu menteri berthamai ke sarkar MDA2 ha ke janmit joka khandre tarik unai luar arja arpusan ula penpau bakathong jong uhi kedai ban pej ya kabha kamiat ki Samla kata ban pelat yaki na ke jingma u drugs. Ula ang ru baga jing Kyrduh jam kari ka waipat kamat Ïakren bat un yele ban penyaso yaki Samla bat ki lat ki lenti ki baka sarkar ka dan na ke benta jong ki. Halor ke jingkli ba ulami bujli ha ke jakau ba coming wanam bon MLA kumu menteri sarkar uba Wailadmiki Shilla ulaong baga jing bujli menteri kadai jan barok kawai ke kunhud menteri jong ke sarkar bat kam long tek na ke benta uwei.
My main focus will be youth only, but that also will depend on Chief Minister that what portfolio he will be giving me. Then only I can set my priority according to the department which he will be giving.
Is it true that you're getting spots? That's what the...
No, as of now, because CM sir has said that everything will be come clear after the swearing in only. So as of now, I cannot say anything. It's up. That is the prerogative of Honorable Chief Minister.
But do you feel that your relatives, Nyawalang was instrumental in accommodating you in the government?
No, I don't think so. Because if you see that this is not my first time, this is my second time. And you have seen yourself that even the first timer are getting a chance. So I think I have waited quite a long time, and even I think this is the dream of every legislator that when he contests, he want to be a minister, and especially his electorate. So my people were quite expecting, and Joy being the district headquarter, and all this past year that you yourself have seen that it was represented by the minister. So it is I think it is the prayer of my beloved people of Joy constituency. Firstly, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and both the Deputy Chief Minister for putting their trust in me, for giving me this opportunity to serve the people of the state. And also I would like to thank especially the electorate of Joy constituency. Because of them, now I'm standing here today. And yes, and also I would like to thank the outgoing minister for their generous heart. It is because of them that we got the chance. So I like to thank them also. And at the same time, I know it is a blessing of Almighty God. So I cannot do anything for Him. So that's why I have decided that my first month salary, my hard-earned first month salary, will be donated to the orphanage of West Jaintia district. There are 7 orphanages in West Jaintia Hills. No doubt I really want to give to all the whole state, but it won't be enough. So that's why for this time I'll be giving my first month of salary to the 7 orphanages in West Jaintia district.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.